Stop wasting time on 3D printers that look great on paper but underperform in real projects. Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 10 best 3D printers of 2026, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one is the best overall choice for your needs. Whether you're into precision modeling, multicolor printing, or high-speed prototyping, this video will guide you to the right printer without confusion or hype. Let's start the countdown from number 10. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, so feel free to check them out. Number 10. Entina Tina 2 Plus. The Entina Tina 2 Plus V3 is a mini FDM 3D printer designed for kids and beginners. It features 250 mm per second high-speed printing, auto-leveling, a spring steel platform, and Wi-Fi connectivity. Review highlights. This model is perfect for learning 3D printing or small personal projects. It's easy to use, fully assembled, and delivers decent precision for beginners. Pros: high-speed 250 mm per second printing, auto-leveling with spring steel platform, Wi-Fi connectivity, beginner-friendly and fully assembled. Number 9. Creality Ender 3. The Creality Ender 3 is a fully open-source 3D printer with Resin printing functionality. It has a build volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, making it suitable for a wide range of DIY projects. Review highlights. This printer is ideal for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts who want flexibility and community support. It's reliable, affordable, and easy to maintain. Pros: open source and DIY friendly, Resin printing function, solid build volume, affordable and reliable. Number 8. ANYCUBIC M7 Pro. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Pro is a 14K Resin 3D printer with a 10.1-inch mono LCD and COB Turbo 3.0 light source. It prints at 170 mm per hour and features dynamic heating and precise resin printing. Review highlights. This model is perfect for detailed resin prints, miniatures, and professional prototypes. Fast printing speed and precision make it excellent for creators needing fine detail. Pros: 14K resolution with mono LCD, 170 mm per hour fast printing, dynamic heating for stable performance, ideal for high detail resin printing. Number 7. Creality K2 Combo. The Creality K2 Combo 4 Machine-in-1 is a high-speed multicolor printer with 600 mm per second speed, smart auto-leveling, dual AI cameras, and 260 by 260 by 260 mm build volume. Review highlights. It's excellent for users who want multicolor printing with high precision. The dual AI cameras and quiet printing features improve workflow efficiency. Pros: 600 mm per second high-speed printing, multicolor printing support, smart auto-leveling, dual AI cameras, and quiet operation. Number 6. Sovol Zero. The Sovol Zero is a CoreXY 3D printer with 1200 mm per second high-speed printing, eddy scanning, pressure sensing, 350 degrees Celsius nozzle, and a 6 by 6 by 6 inch build volume. Review highlights. This model is ideal for advanced users who want extreme speed and precision. Its open-source design and full linear rails offer reliability and durability. Pros: 1200 mm per second CoreXY high-speed printing, 350 degrees Celsius nozzle and heated bed, XYZ full linear rails for precision, open source for customization. Number 5. FLASHFORGE FDM5. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer FDM5 is a high-speed FDM 3D printer with 600 mm per second printing, auto-leveling, 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder, and detachable nozzle. It features CoreXY structure and effective cooling. Review highlights. Perfect for rapid prototyping and hobbyists, this printer is easy to use and delivers consistent and high-quality prints. Pros: 600 mm per second high-speed FDM printing, fully auto-leveling, quick detachable nozzle, CoreXY structure for accuracy. Number 4. Creality K2 SE. The Creality K2 SE is a 500 mm per second high-speed multicolor 3D printer with a solid metal build, direct drive extruder, quick swap nozzle, and 220 by 215 by 224 mm print size. Review highlights. It's excellent for multi-material projects, offering reliable printing speed and stability for larger and detailed prints. Pros: 500 mm per second high-speed printing, multicolor printing support, quick swap nozzle and auto leveling, solid metal build for durability. Number 3. FLASHFORGE AD5X. The FLASHFORGE AD5X multi-material printer supports 4-color printing at 600 mm per second speed. It offers DIY IFS creations, full auto calibration, filament backup, and high precision. Review highlights. This model boosts productivity for creative professionals needing multi-material printing. It's reliable and precise for complex projects. Pros: multi-material 4-color printing, 600 milliliters per second high-speed performance, auto calibration and filament backup, great for professional use. Number 2. ELEGOO Centauri Carbon. The ELEGOO Centauri Carbon is a CoreXY 3D printer with 500 mm per second high-speed printing, 320 degrees Celsius nozzle with auto calibration, built-in camera, and 256 by 256 by 256 mm build volume. Review highlights. It's ideal for makers who want speed, precision, and remote monitoring. Ready to print out of the box. It's beginner-friendly, but also capable for advanced users. Pros: 500 mm per second high-speed printing, 320 degrees Celsius nozzle with auto calibration, built-in camera for monitoring, ready to print out of the box. Number 1. FLASHFORGE Multicolor. The FLASHFORGE AD5X multicolor printer features CoreXY 600 mm per second high-speed printing, one-click auto leveling, 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, and a 220 by 220 mm build volume. Review highlights. This printer combines precision, speed, and versatility, making it the most reliable and professional choice for hobbyists and creators alike. Multicolor printing and fast calibration put it ahead of the competition. Pros: 600 mm per second CoreXY high-speed printing, one-click auto leveling, 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, ideal for precision and multicolor projects. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below, so feel free to check them out. As promised, the best 3D printer overall is the FLASHFORGE AD5X Multicolor. With its fast printing speed, multicolor support, and professional-grade features, it's the most versatile and reliable choice for hobbyists, creators, and professionals in 2026. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links for current discounts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.